Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are trying a new palette from ADEPT Cosmetics. They have been releasing my most favorite palettes this year. Every time I do a rankings video, ADEPT Cosmetics palettes come to the #1 spot, and they have released a third palette this year that I am super thrilled about. It is now available on their website, and the palette retails for $79, but remember you can get it 10% off using my code PATTY10 at checkout, and so that will knock off some money from it. This palette is called the Extraterrestrial Biological Entities palette, which if you ask me is a very long name for a palette, but it is cute regardless. Here's what the actual component looks like. Let's go ahead and take that off. We actually also have one in the back. It's about to get very fingerprinty. And here is what the inside of the palette looks like. This one has 5 mattes for the looks of it. The rest of them glimmery, shimmery sparkles. The mirror has some extraterrestrial beings on it. I wonder if it's on the sticker or on the actual mirror. No, it's on the mirror. Okay, I can take it off. I'm not going to be disappointed. Here we go. I thought maybe just that clear film had the extraterrestrial beings on it, but the actual mirror has it, so that's great news. Are you seeing how beautiful these shifty shades are? So stunning. Let's go ahead and go for the swatches, and I'm going to swatch it across as I usually do. This matte shade Trans Medium is going to be the perfect transition color. Listen, all ADEPT Cosmetics had to do to become one of my top brands in my collection was fix their mattes, and they fixed their mattes, and I just could not be more excited about them this year. Every palette has been a banger. Anyways, here's what the first 4 shades look like. The first color is E.B.E. Eyes, which is the name of the palette. Then we have J Rod E.B.E. 2, and the color Trans Medium, which is that stunning light shade that is going to be perfect for a transition. It's just a beautiful taupe. Here are the next 4 shades. This first one is the last one from the first row, and it is called E.B.Os. This one has stunning multicolor sparkles on it, and it is so soft. Row 2, shade 1. This one's called the Roswell Grays, and it is a stunning taupey brown. Psychonics, and this one's called the Mentor UAP. Here are the next 3 shades, and oh my goodness, these are so stunning. In particular, the shade in my middle finger is so shifty. The first one is called Zeta Reticuli. I don't know how to say that, but it's this pinkish shade with orangey sparkles on it. Then the color in the middle, which I'm super thrilled about, it looks purple on my arm here, but I'm looking at the palette and it looks green. It's so shifty. It's called Baghdad Phantom. And then the first color from the 3rd row is called Skinny Bob, and it's a stunning glittery shade with multicolored glitters on it and like a lilac base. So pretty. You saw the swatches, and I still have this much left on my fingers. ADEPT Cosmetics shimmers are iconic. They're so soft. I love them. Here are the last 4 shades. This one's called Orion Reptilian, and it is a stunning warm green olive shade. Then we have Inner Divinity, which is another beautiful sparkle. This one has a bit more of a pink base. Green Man is a stunning darker olive shade. And then the last shade is called Remote Viewing, and it is this stunning shimmering green color. So take a look right there at the swatches of this ADEPT Cosmetics palette. They never disappoint with the shimmers. I love their shimmers. And then this one also has some really stunning matte shades. I'm going to create 2 different looks with this palette, and for both looks I am going to start with the shade Transcendium because it looks like the perfect transition shade, so I'm going to use it for both looks. This is a Refer number 15 brush that I'm using to blend the shade across my lid with. I got you guys even closer so you can see what I'm doing a little better. And right now I'm just running that shade across my crease with a very light hand. One of my looks I'm going to do with the brown mattes and the other one with the green mattes, so we can see the versatility in this palette. So with the lighter green shade, which is called Orion Reptilian, I'm going to start deepening up the crease of my eye on this side, and this is that warm olivey green shade. I'm adding it to the outer third of the lid, and then I'm going to start blending it into my crease. Then I'm going to use the shade Green Man with, this is a Shoto 00 brush, and I'm going to add it to the outer third of the eyelid back here. I'm going to smoke it right underneath my lower lash line, and I'm working around the mascara I applied because I was filming a different video before I started filming this one, and I tried a new mascara which I loved. I have it linked below. It's a new Lancome mascara, and consider me impressed. It is incredible. Anyways, this is the shade Green Man that I'm blending on the outer third of the eyelid and into the crease. With a very small blending brush, this is a Refer 14 and the shade Transmedium here, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. I wanted to have the same warmth that the top has, so I'm going to grab a bit of Orion Reptilian as well to add it down here. There we go, that's better. Alright, I think I'm done with the mattes. So for the center of the eyelid, I'm going to grab Remote Viewing, I think, or actually no, E.B.E.'s, this one here. I'm going to tap it right there from the center and towards the back of the eye, towards the outer third. Ooh, that is so pretty. Are you kidding? That is so gorgeous. I think I'm going to do Baghdad Phantom next because I just want to use the fun colors. Yeah, it looks purpley on the inner half of the eyelid, and I'm just applying it with my finger. So pretty and very shifty. All of these shades are so shifty. I'm going to do Remote Viewing on the inner third of the eyelid here, just so we can see it as well. No regrets, that looks fantastic. It kind of looks like a bit of a halo eye. I like it. And then E.B.E. eye on the innermost corner with a tiny flat brush right there. For the waterline, I told you guys this Natasha Denona taupe eyeliner would work for so many different looks, and it will work for this one. So I'm going to put this one on the waterline. And with just mascara on, no falsies, take a look right here at the finished first look with this palette. I really love the halo effect with the greens on each side and the smokiness on the back side here. So pretty. Let's keep going with look number 2, and as I said, I'm going to use the rest of the mattes for this one. So here is that deeper taupey brown color, the Roswell grays, and I am smoking out my crease with it. You can totally keep it at this level of depth. In fact, I'm very tempted to do that, but I want to try all of the mattes, so I am going to make it darker. But I love how soft and smoky at the same time those two shades look like together. I am, however, going to use the Mentor UAP, which is this beautiful burgundy, on the outer third of the eyelid to deepen up things a little further. I'm using the same Shoto 00 brush I used for the other eye, and that's going to bring a beautiful purple smoky effect to this look. Softly adding and blending that shade onto my crease so that everything diffuses nicely. And with a very small blending brush and a mixture of these two shades, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. The first shimmer I'm going to use for this eyeshadow look is this one here, E.B.E. 2. Because it's got a bit of a purpley base to it, just like my smoky outer corner does, and I feel like it's going to be a good transition into the rest of the shimmers. And so with my finger, I'm just barely tapping it into that smoky area. That looks so good. I love the multicolor sparkles of that shade. The next shade I'm going to use is the shade Skinny Bob, because I couldn't not use that color for this eyeshadow look. It's just a stunning multicolored sparkle type shade with the most beautiful lilac base to it. I love it. And I also want to use this one here. It's called Inner Divinity. This one is such a good shade as well. For the innermost corner, I'm going to use this color here. It's called J Rod with a very tiny brush. And just to further prove to you that the taupe eyeliner from Natasha Denona works with every look, I also put it on this one. I'm obsessed with that eyeliner, can you tell? Let's take a look right here. This is my finished second look with this palette from ADEPT Cosmetics. I love it. Surprisingly though, I like the green look even better than this one. I honestly thought I would like this look better, but there's something about this halo-y looking eye here. It's probably the contrast. I love it. At this point, I am becoming spoiled by ADEPT Cosmetics because I expected this palette to work great, and guess what? It works great. As I said, their only issue in past years was that the matte shades were inconsistent, but they must have figured it out because every single palette I tried from them this year has had incredible matte shades that build up and blend beautifully, and this right here is no exception. Now with ADEPT Cosmetics, you have to like very glittery shimmer shades in order to love their palettes. So if you love very glittery sparkly shades on your eyes, then definitely give this palette right here a try. And you know what I like about this one? It's a bit of a combination between their first two palettes that they came out with. Let me bring them out to show you. Their first two palettes that they came out with this year. I'm not talking, you know, ever. Here's the Minka palette from the beginning of the year, and this one has all of the purple pink shades. And guess what? This new one also has some purple pink shades in it, not as many. This right here, I'm obsessed with still. It's beautiful. But if you want some purple pink but not purple pink overload, which this one might be, you do get some of that in this palette. And then their second palette they came out with this year was this one here, which is their emo palette. And one of my favorite things about this one was the green shades. And this new palette that I tried today also has some green shades in it, which is honestly exciting to me. And so I feel like it's kind of in between the first two palettes they came out with this year. And as you can see, at the same time, all three of them are different enough, all of them super sparkly, which I love, but they also work really, really well together. Long story short, I do really like this palette from ADEPT as well, and if you're interested in it in this color story, I would highly suggest that you check it out because you're most likely going to love it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section of this video. If you're interested in the palette, don't forget to use code PATTY10 at checkout so you can save 10% off of your purchase. I love you all so much. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye.